The Xmark XM4434 Power Tower with dip station and pull-up bar is the perfect way to improve your upper body and core strength. Just like squats for the lower body, pull-ups are one of the best exercises to improve overall strength and muscle tone. With the Xmark Power Tower you can do a range of exercises to target these core areas. The Xmark has a range of positions so you can work on the muscles that you want. It comes with dip handles with rubber grips for all your dipping exercises. It also has both a narrow and a wide grip pull-up bar. It features back and arm cushioning for your vertical knee raises and also has push-up handles with rubber grips. The Xmark Power Tower is a great way to build muscle and improve your strength. Not only will it work out your upper body but abs and back as well. The tower comes with skid-resistant feet to protect your floors and 2-inch high-density cushions for maximum comfort while you work out.